Without you, I fade out. Without strength, without love, I lose sense, I lose.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hello, welcome to the Divine Family. Today's look is going to be a cotton candy, deliciousness, unicorn makeup look. This is called a halo eye, I believe, where you do the same color on the outer corner and in the inner corner of the eye, and then you put some different color on the inside. But I wanted to make sure I used a ton of colors today. I think it's really cool. Okay, so if you want to see how I got this summer cotton candy makeup look, then please keep watching.
What's up guys? So I'm gonna get right into the eye part of this tutorial. I'm starting up with concealing my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Light Sand. I've never used this trick. I normally use the Urban Decay primer, but it worked perfectly well to use a concealer instead. Next up, I'm taking the Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in Lace with a Morphe flat sponge and just cutting out underneath my eye so there's no fallout. Next up, I'm using my Morphe 350 palette and this gorgeous light transition shade just all over the crease with a fluffy MAC brush, and then I'm taking just a slightly darker orangey shade with a denser Morphe brush and putting that all over the crease. This is just going to warm it up so that when we work with all of those fancy colors, it's going to smoothly transition into that. Next up, in my amazing Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm taking the color Twerk, and I'm starting with an even denser fluffy brush and working it in the outer third, slowly but carefully, of my eye. And then I'm taking it again in the inner corner of my eye. We are creating a halo eye, which means that we're working the color in the inner corner and the outer corner of the eye and then putting a different color in between. Just slowly work in circular motions to blend out the edges of this. And then we're gonna take our, I forgot the name of it, MAC concealer. It'll come to me later. MAC concealer, and slowly on a flat brush, we are just carving out whatever space that we want for our second color. And for this, I'm taking the MAC color in MAC shade in Creme de Violet. This is actually a matte shade with just a few sparkles in it, but I'm just more of a matte kind of a gal. So then I'm taking a flat definer brush again and slowly working that on top of the concealer that we put on. And then I'm going back in with Twerk and I'm blending out those edges so that they all match together and it's all seamless and it just looks like one cotton candy surprise. Then I'm taking a clean, fluffy brush and blending out those edges, and then another fluffy brush, then working those orangey shades back in just again so that there are no harsh lines. Then I'm basically mimicking what I did on the top part, putting the two blue shadows on the inner and outer corners of my eye, and then the Creme de Violet on the middle part of my eye on the lower lash line. It just pulls it all together. You can't quite see it on camera, but trust me, in person it looks amazing. Next up, I'm taking this Maybelline eyeshadow in Soft Pearl and using it to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. I cannot live without doing this trick. A little dance break. Next up, I'm using my favorite mascara, which is the L'Oreal Beauty Juice mascara, and just putting that on my lower lash line. Next up, I'm bronzing up the face with the Hoola Benefit bronzer. I will show you guys or link my actual bronzer highlighting tutorial down beneath so you can see. I feel like it's just basic knowledge right now in the beauty world. Filling in my brows, nothing new here. I also have a tutorial for that I can link below. Next up, taking the NARS blush in Orgasm and working that in the center of my cheeks. This is going to bring a more youthful look to the face, and then I'm highlighting with my Hourglass highlighter with incandescent light. It's just so beautiful and light on my cheekbones. Oh my gosh, I'm so behind. And then I'm taking a white eyeliner by NYX in Milk and putting that in my waterline, and then finally going back in with that Beauty Tubes mascara and blending in my lashes and my fake lashes with my natural lashes. And finally, I'm taking the MAC liner in Double Time and lining my lips with it. And then I'm taking this beautiful soft matte lip cream by NYX in the shade Cans and using that all over just to tie in that extra pop of pink for the cotton candy look.
Alright guys, that concludes this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Tag me in any of your recreations and any of my, oh, I hair in my mouth, and any of my social media listed at the end of this video and in the description box below. Thank you for watching, and until next time, peace. Waffles! First of all, I am just so sweaty right now. I can't. I can't get it right. I just want to look sexy. Oh, we did it.